Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So let's get right into the video, guys. I lost some clips, as in this is so painful. I lost some clip at the beginning of this video. I lost all the clips, so guys, just keep on watching. You are going to still grab a lot from this video to achieve your DIY winter arts by achieving a jungle braids using Brazilian wool. So you can see what I'm doing. I use 15 strands of Brazilian wool for each braid, and I use 3 packs of Brazilian wool to achieve all these braids on this cap. So now you can see what I did. I crocheted 2 strands of Brazilian wool, then I crocheted 13 strands of Brazilian wool. Do you grab that? I crochet with 2, then I braid with 13 strands. I use that 2 to tie the knot. I don't want to crochet that kind of quantity on this cap, or else we are going to damage the cap. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'll braid, then I'll use my fingertip to bring out a little like a strand from each side of the Brazilian wool. So you can see from the beginning I didn't forward the video really. I just forwarded a little so that the clip won't be very long. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching, keep on enjoying. I'm really sorry for missing some part of this clip. It's just the same. The beginning is where I show you guys how I achieve my stop. That means what I'm trying to say about stop is I put on the cap on my head, then I use the lip liner to mark out the line where I want my braid to start from and where I want it to stop, because you don't want this to cover your face. Do you grab that? Can you please give a clap for this amazing DIY video? Okay, yes, let's go. Yes, keep clapping for this amazing DIY. Keep clapping. Oh, yes. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for that amazing clap. I really appreciate your support and your love. And please, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share with your loved ones so you can see what I'm doing. You have to keep doing the jungle boss braid to the length you want, then later you keep on braiding. So now I will advise you, do not use the kind of small cap I use. I have a lot of tons of amazing DIY arts braided wig on my channel. If you want a false lock, pick and drop, weave, I have a lot. But I was like, okay, let's look how this jungle boss braid is going to look like. Let me just make a DIY achieving jungle boss braid. If you want to use a braid here, you can feel free to do that. But I love using Brazilian wool for this kind of hairstyle. Do you know why I love using Brazilian wool? Because it's going to be very lightweight. It won't look as if I have anything on my head. So that is it. So this part, you can see I've started braiding from the top. You see the space we left, it's all the space. That is why I said please make sure you watch this video to the end, because I need to explain. That is where I'm going to attach the second braids. That is the first one is at the down part, then the second one is at the top part. So you have to lay it in between the space you left. If you put everything together without no space, by the time you put on the cap, it won't lay perfectly well on you. It's going to be bulky at the back. We want it to be flat. We don't want people to know that we attach anything to this cap. Let them think, yes, this is your hair. You just felt like putting on a cap on your braided wig. You did. Do you grab that? So you have to leave a space for the first track so that the second track can be in between. I always say this in any of my Brazilian video: make sure you drag one tip longer than one if you want to get that pencil tips towards the end of the braid. Make sure you drag some tip of the Brazilian wool. Some should be longer than one. It should not be the same length. So guys, if you want me to make any wig for you guys, my contact is in the description box below. You can reach me on that. So thank you for the support. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching this amazing video.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah.
When you are rocking it on your hair, your cap, your wig, always make sure you use sheen. So let's see the final look. Yeah, can you see? That was why I said make sure you use a big hat than mine. This is not really easy. I like the quantity of the cap, but I love my winter cap to be big, but I really need to make this video. I just use a cap I have at home. I didn't go and buy any cap. So I love my winter cap to be like oversized, not my perfect size. So the final look. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate you, each and every one of you. Keep supporting your girl. Keep liking. Keep sharing my video. Turn on notification bell. Share with your loved one this amazing video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.